Right, just showing you about your ABS. You can see the green trace, which is your right front wheel, has got massive dropouts in it, and that's what's giving you the ABS light problem. You can see the blue line is the other side front, the left hand side front, and that one's running fine. I'm just doing this on tick over as I'm driving down the road, and you can see the dropouts. That's what's causing you a failure. So I'm now going to check out, find out what's making the dropouts happen. Okay, I think I found what the cause is. You've got so much corrosion which is built up. That's the bolt hole which holds on the ABS sensor. You've got corrosion all around here. I've chipped off some of it so you can see how deep it is. I'll you can make it out. So what's happening is that you're supposed to have a tag that goes to these lines here. Basically they're little magnets, and as they go past the sensor it registers and knows what speed you're doing. Well, what's happened is that the corrosion has picked up the sensor and pulled it outwards, so therefore you're not getting a correct reading all the time. So sometimes it's working, sometimes it isn't. So I'm just going to clean up that corrosion and then see how it performs. Okay, seems to have cured it. So I've got a blue line which is running on here. I'm just going to turn the wheel by hand now. I've got it jacked up off the floor. So spin the wheel. There's no dropouts now. There you go, spun it for a little while now. I usually would have spiked downwards to the 0, but that's not doing that at all now. Just do it slower. No, usually you would have heard the spike going down and then it come back up, down, come back up. That's how it was doing. But now it's plain sailing. All good, it's a fix. Okay, just out now on another test drive. Just seeing how it's performing. So just on tick over in first gear, so I can't go no faster. As you can see, there's no dropouts now. I got no parts required, just needed to remove the rust which was around the sensor, which is making the sensor stick too far away from the magnetic ring around on the wheel bearing. So there we are, that's all done for you.